Welcome to the Configuration Workbooks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to create and manage pricing through the Configuration Workbook functionality. To get started, navigate to Package Admin. This is where you can create or select a product and then navigate to the Configuration Workbook tab. Let's begin with choosing your Excel file by browsing to its location on your desktop. Next, capture the sheet name from your Excel file. Important note: this must be an exact match for CloudQuote to pull data from the correct sheet. Now, you will map your Excel columns by capturing the applicable fields: part number column, product name column, product description column, quantity column, price column, monthly column, if applicable, once-off column, if applicable. Now, select the starting row where your data begins, and then save the package to continue. Once saved, now click on Preview. Your configuration workbook is now ready to be used in a quote. To confirm everything is working correctly, navigate to your Quotes tab and then select New Quote. Select the product configured and scroll to your right to select the green Configure button. This will open up your Excel workbook, allowing you to capture in the quantities for products you wish to add to your quote. Add the quantities and select Save. All items with quantity values should automatically pull through into CloudQuote. If the items do not pull through correctly, double-check the sheet name and the mapped fields in the configuration workbook. As shown in the beginning of this tutorial, CloudQuote, quick and easy